That is dog pee that I just put my hands in. Cute.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past.
Welcome back to the Greener Lawn. Today is the second day of spring, and I'm coming out to check out my lawn, see what it looks like, see what we have going on. Before I forget, if you like my content, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment down in the comment section down below. That is always important. Thank you. I noticed that earlier everything kind of looked good. Everything was coming together, and then I saw this. You know what this is? Right here? That is dog pee that I just put my hands in. Cute. So yes, I had a spot of dog pee here in my front yard. Not from my dogs don't come out front. But somebody walking their dog allowed their dog to pee on my lawn, and yes, it did burn it out. A lot of people are gonna have this naturally from their own dogs in their yards, which happens over time. And I'm going to inevitably get the question, how do I solve dog pee? It's very simple. That little spot right there, we just need to flush it. That in essence is urea, is what that has a concentrated spot of. So it will burn, of course, because it is in a very highly concentrated area. And the way to solve it is to use baby shampoo. Yeah, baby shampoo, super simple, super easy to fix, and super cheap.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and pain.
Once you flush this out right here with baby shampoo, now you're ready to go on to the next step, the fix. There are 3 steps that you should look into. The first one is just to let it grow back in naturally and fill in. When you have a Kentucky bluegrass or a Bermuda grass, something that has rhizomes and or stolons, they spread over time and they fill in these kinds of patches super quickly. This will be filled in super quick. So you really don't have to worry about something this small. Just let it flush and then move on with it. The second way would be to get in here, dig this out, all this grass, all this dead material, and then open it up to the soil and put some seed in here and then do an overseed. If you have bigger spots, that makes sense, kind of like these. They would make sense in these types of areas. It's a viable option. And the third option, which I think is kind of the quickest way if you have bigger spots like these, is using a plugger. What you do is you pull this up, you hit this spot right here, step on it, pull this plug out, go and grab a plug from somewhere else in your yard that's doing really well. After this has been flushed, because that's the key, is you don't want to be doing it until it's been flushed. And then bring the plug from the other area, put it in this spot right here, take this plug that you just pulled from this area, put it in the place that you're really not going to see it. Super easy fixes. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me at jeremyofthegreenerlawn@gmail.com. So now that you've flushed your lawn, should you aerate it and should you dethatch it? I'm gonna leave that video right here. Check it out. I'm Jeremy of The Greener Lawn. Make her green.